for another chance to win. I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail.
Welcome back to the channel. First of all, today we're heading on the road to get a few things done. As usual, the verse of the day or the thought for the day is from Ecclesiastes. The whole conclusion of the matter is that man should serve God and keep his commandments. At the end of the day, he said the whole duty and the whole point of your life is to serve God. So remember that for today. We're going to head on the road now. We need to go to Sun Island and where else we going today? And mail pack. So taking you along for the trip. Tell them forward no? Tell them forward. Come in. Pretty excited to go to Sun Island. I get homework, so went to an online store, checked out the nice designs that they had. Actually really had very good designs, and excited to go there, get them. Tina picked them out, and I'm going to try to stick to it. Follow my WhatsApp picture, and where I'm in doubt, give her a call. That's Sun Island. Why we need the Jamaica shirts, apart from just being patriotic and this emancipation and independence and all that, remember we're doing some shorts, so we're going to be, you know, like a little costume thing, look uniform and so. Also, are you following us on Instagram? Our Instagram handle is me and my house. We'll be dropping some pics and some nice little videos over there. So follow us on Instagram at me and my house. But for now, my homework is to get the shirt then and go mail back for the ring light. And hopefully I can follow instructions. So again, let's go. Ready? We picked up a package. It's supposed to be a ring light and lotion and soap. Lotion and soap for the babies, of course. The ring light is for me and my house.
No.
Yes. Leila around here saying no. Not so sure where we're going, so have a look out, guys. Have a look. And them say after past pre-mix, I'm at pre-mix now, so looking on. Found it, guys. So afternoon.
Afternoon.
Tell him hi, hello.
I'm
gonna tell you them just running.
Stop them, catch your eye, yeah.
Come, sanitize your hand. Alright. Sanitize your hand, baby. Ooh, wow. You like this one? You like this one?
Yeah.
It's just too big for you.
Me?
2 to 4. What about this one? Hold on. What about this one? You like this one?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
I wonder if it's just too big for you still. Hold on, I'm going to try to find something your size. Ooh, wow. Look at these for baby sisters. You like these for sister?
Yes.
You like that one?
Yes.
This one is saying 3 to 6 months. It should be our baby size. I think I like in this 100% Jamaican picnic. Options are there. I like the picnic thing. Liquor picnic? No, I'm not like the liquor picnic style. This is also 3 to 6 months, but it says 50% mom, 50% dad, 100% Jamaican. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. Second two of these. Hello, hello. Come here, come here. Don't go too far, please. Yeah, stay right here. Come, Zahra. Stay this side. You want what? Alright, we're soon gonna look on the turtle. Leila and Zahra. Hello. Please come this side. We're soon gonna look over there. Come, come. Alright, so this is what Tina said she wants for her and Hannah. The feet look kinda big, but yeah, the feet looks kinda huge. But I like it, I like it. Land we love Jamaica, so this will be for Hannah. And looking for one for Tina. Leila and Zahra, stay right here, please. Stay right there. I'm not sure. All of these sizes look the same. I wonder. No. Second large. Alright, so we'll just find some nice dresses for Leila and Zahra. I'm going to show you now. Real nice. Look at this. Look at that one. Don't touch that, Zaza. This is the one here. This one for Zaza. You like this one? Wow, you like it? Let me see if it can fit you. So if it holds right there. Wow. Wow, hold it, Zaza, hold it. And let me see if this one can fit you, Lily. Wow. It looks, this one looks big though. You like it? You sure? I'm going to call mom and find out. Okay, so I just called mom and got the go ahead for the dresses for Leila and Zahra. So I'm going to take 2 of the dresses for them. Really nice. Okay, so we'll get something for everybody in the house, from the newborns to the toddlers to the teenager to the mommy, but the daddy needs to get some still. I don't really like these polos, but I'm trying to figure out still what to get. Oh look, I think this is it, you know, guys. I think this is it, you know. So this is me now. You want the turtle? You like the turtle? Let daddy check the price of the turtle, please, eh? One turtle is 13 US. Some indigenous, this must be some indigenous turtle, man. Yeah, so daddy buy a flag for you, okay? Come, we're going to get the flags now. Alright, thanks here, miss. Come, tell her bye-bye. Alright, come. Never look. Come. Yeah, no, like, that was a good experience. The staff at Sun Island, big up. You guys are very courteous and accommodating. I was on WhatsApp call with Tina and them, nobody shying away from the phone. Appreciate it, really appreciate it. It's quality stuff in there, guys. Enough variety, and the store big and thing. Very pleased. So we get what we want. We'll show you exactly what the final order was. But yeah, heading home right now.
This is the
It's long after I go inside with a shirt. I'm excited with the shirt and showing off shirt to Tina and everybody. I remember saying I have ring light in the car. So let me show you what's going on with the ring light. Never used a ring light before. Don't know how the box is small and neat, because to me it's supposed to be big. But let's open it together. This one looks small to you? This one looks small? Look at what I got. For this unboxing, you'll need the box and a knife. Leila and Zahra over there looking at me and laughing and yeah, oohing and eyeing at how amazing that is. When Daddy have a clue. Daddy should read the manual, but Jamaican men don't read manuals, guys. We are the manuals. Alright, so there are many things going on here. Yeah, so there are many things going on here, right? But we don't have time, that's not what the vlog is about right now. So it's not because I don't know, that's not it. Just because that's not what this vlog is about today. We don't need to show this right now. Alright? Ring light, this easy 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So this is the before and this is the after. Wow. You see those little ring lights in my eyes? When my eyes look pretty? That's actually a thing that I realize that people like. Yeah, my what you call that? It's not Iris. One of them named it. I wasn't good in science. But what the thing on the eyeball? What's the eyeball name? Pupil? Yeah, I think it's a ring around my pupil. If you look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Yeah, but this is nice. And I'm going to turn down. I'm going to dim it. Wow. And I'm going to brighten it. Yo, our next sit down, apart from us having a good story and being funny, this is going to sell us off. So I'm going to go on Amazon and give them a good review. Anyway, that's not what the vlog is about fully. Back to the Jamaica show. By the way, taking you back into the music room. I'm going to lock out everybody else. Just me and you. Because on Sunday, tomorrow, the Independence service, the National Independence Service, will be held at my church at 9 a.m. and I'm going to be a part of the band. I have been out in a while. I have been to church in like at least 3 months since the babies were born, and probably a couple weeks before that when it was the last stage of the pregnancy for Tino. So I'm super excited to be there to be able to play. I think I'm going to play drums. I'm going to take a couple pieces from the kit here. Snare, hi-hat, of course, bring my drumsticks. I think that's it. Just snare and a hi-hat, that should be fine. Yeah, so that's the thing tomorrow to tune into. It will be at Palmer Gospel Assembly. I think we'll be streaming live on Love TV as well. The National Independence Service of the Prime Minister, Governor General, and who is who in politics and governance will be there. Check it out. Also though, never stop doing music, but not going to church for 3 months did not mean that we stop doing music. We love music here. So actually, yeah, since not going to church, I'm playing every week where I set up this little mini studio. Oh gosh, what did the children do? I'll show them do the snare. Okay. Let me just take off the snare itself. This was just slack. No worries, guys. We will be releasing festival songs for you. We already did. I think it's only one we did so far. Really bad on our part. You can see it, try to drop it up here so you can look at that short. But we're going to release in one every day next week. So every day from August 1 to August 6, we'll be releasing a short, which is a video under a minute of a festival song. So you can check it out. We're going to have fun producing it. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, a sneak behind the scenes peek of what we're up to. Non-professional, but just have a vibe as a family. And the neighborhood will partake. Let me show you what we're going. Yeah, so this is the app that I found in Track Studio, bottom left. And this is what we'll be using to put the audio for our shorts together. So it's like a mobile studio recording app, which I have fallen in love with. So much you can do here, just like a regular, if you had a Pro Tools or Ableton or who knows about that kind of recording software. You can lay tracks, and so the top track that I have right there that I'm fiddling with is actually what I use for my keyboard. So I'm able to turn up my track independently, and if I wanted to hear more keyboard, I can turn it up or whatever. Other tracks that I have in here are the bass, guitar, sound, and voices, even though it's crusty voices in there right now because it's just me trying out to see how capable the software was, and it passed the test. So Tina has a nice, beautiful, sweet voice will be on it, and that's the sneak peek. But tomorrow it will drop, and you can see and hear the niceness. So this is the star now going to do her take.
That's all.
This is the app. I'm just going to add a new track by doing press this one beside the mention one. Yeah, add audio track. I think it would have added it down here. Right. So that's your cue. You're just going to hear tick, tick, tick. Then you start. So click record this one when you're ready.
Okay. All lyrics.
This is a new day, and I'm thankful for another chance to win.
I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail.
Never be afraid to try again. And repeat.
Yes. Okay. Press record.
Yes.
This is a new day, and I'm thankful for another chance to win. I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail. Never been afraid to try again. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail. Never been afraid to try again. This is a new day, and I'm thankful for another chance to win. I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail. Never been afraid to try again. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail. Never been afraid to try again.
All right. So until next time, neighborhood. You don't know it's me, Paul. I want to big you up. All the new subscribers, thank you for joining the neighborhood. The neighbors already who were here, big up yourself. All the Jamaicans, Canadians, UK, English, Africans, everybody wherever you are in the neighborhood, from wherever you're from, big up. Enough love, and as usual, take care from me and my host. Catch you soon.